Saturday marked the 8th day of this round of large-scale Israeli-Palestinian conflicts. Early in the morning, the Israeli army issued a second warning to Gaza residents, urging them to evacuate to the southern part of the coastal enclave. Also on Saturday, in the north, a number of mortars have been fired from Lebanon to Israeli military bases in a contested area on the border. As of Saturday, the week-long conflict has left over 3,500 dead and over 10,000 wounded on both sides.
اليوم الثامن على التوالي يعيش سكان قطاع غزة تحت تصعيد عسكري إسرائيلي مكثف، حيث أن الغارات الإسرائيلية تزيد كثافتها ووتيرتها يوما بعد يوم، مما يؤدي إلى مقتل المزيد والعشرات من الفلسطينيين في قطاع غزة. ولكن هناك بعض السكان الذين رفضوا إخلاء منازلهم سواء كان في مدينة في حي تل الهوى وغرب مدينة غزة أو حتى في الأحياء الأخرى.
Gaza is in danger of facing drought as water is running out for over 2 million Palestinians who are already without electricity or network signals or no food. These conditions will lead to a humanitarian disaster and the consequences will be catastrophic. Palestinian Ministry of Health in Gaza has been calling to send medical equipment and medical aid and ambulance cars.
Egypt refused on Saturday to permit stranded foreign nationals to leave Gaza through its Rafah border crossing unless humanitarian aid is allowed into the Palestinian enclave. Witnesses said foreigners waited for hours but couldn't enter Egypt.
It was horrified, terrific. I make documents of every day is what we are going through, and everyone's life is in danger.
Unfortunately, we came here and the gate is closed. We have too many family here. Everybody waiting. Kids suffering. It's too hot. Some people saying go home. They're gonna get attacked. We need to go take our kids somewhere safe.